Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I posted a video. For today's video I'm gonna be doing my eyebrow routine so you guys can see how I do my eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you wanna see how I get my eyebrows done for a full glam, please keep on watching. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm gonna do, but first I'm gonna show you the products that I use, if I can find them. Okay, so for now I'm using the ColourPop pomade in the colors Dope Taupe and Banging Brunette. They just look like a regular pomade, as you can see. And then these are the colors. This one over here is Banging Brunette, and then this one over here is Dope Taupe. I use Banging Brunette for the outer part of the eyebrow, and then I use Dope Taupe for the inner part of the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm actually doing. Also, just so you know, I use like an angle brush like this one. So first I take my Banging Brunette, I dip a little bit of my brush in it, just a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna start outlining my eyebrow with my brush like this. I'm just following the natural shape of my brow. Like this. Now I'm gonna fill in the brow, and as you can see, I only dip my brow once in the pomade, and that's all I'm gonna use to outline and probably to fill in them. That's all I'm gonna use because it's really pigmented.
Tonight and always, I love to wake up next to you, so we'll piss off the neighbors.
Dope Taupe for my inner part of the eyebrow. Again, I just dipped on it one time, and now I'm gonna line the bottom part and the upper part of the eyebrow, and now I'm gonna fill them in. Outline it a little bit over here and on the top, but don't worry about that for now. I'm gonna clean it up after I'm done doing the eyebrow. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on this eyebrow over here.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo, light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow.
Alright, so now that I did my eyebrows, I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. Why is not focusing? Right here, this one over here, and it's in the shade Light 20. I'm gonna take whatever it's in the wand over here, with this brush that I have over here. Gonna take it like this, and now I'm gonna apply it on my brow.
I love to wake up next to you, so we'll piss off the neighbors. In the place that feels the tears, the place you lose your fears, yeah, reckless behavior. A place that is so pure, so dirty and wrong. In the bad all day, bad all day, bad all day. Loving and falling on. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a paradise and it's a war zone.
So now I'm gonna clean up the other eyebrow. Same process.
It's a paradise and it's a war zone.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and thank you so much for watching.